Cafe website template with Divi. We're showcasing two exquisite cafe website templates designed with Divi. One's a premium treasure, and the other is completely free. Let's discover the perfect virtual storefront for your cafe. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. Begin with our first website from the Divi marketplace. This charming cafe website template is priced at just $9.99. Let's take a closer look at the live demo. Firstly, admire this stunning hero section. It draws visitors in with vibrant colors and an inviting headline that leaves a strong first impression. Next up, the About Us section. Here, you can tell your cafe's unique story, reinforcing your brand identity and connecting with your audience on a personal level. Check out the Our Menu section. It's elegantly organized, showcasing your culinary offerings with enticing visuals and descriptions. Moving on to the Our Team section. Notice the interactive effects when you hover over each card. It makes your team members come alive, adding a dynamic touch and highlighting those who bring your cafe to life. And now, the Our Gallery section. It's a visual feast, allowing you to showcase high-quality images that beautifully capture the essence and atmosphere of your cafe. We conclude with the Footer, featuring an integrated Google Maps section alongside key contact information, phone number, email address, and location, making it easy for customers to reach or visit you. Let's turn our attention to the free template now, provided when you download and install the Divi theme. Here's what makes this option stand out. First, the Hero section. It captivates immediately with minimalist design and impactful messaging, drawing visitors deeper into your site. Then there's the About Us section, perfect for sharing your cafe's journey and forging a connection with your audience. Onto the Menu section. It's streamlined and organized, ensuring a pleasant browsing experience for potential customers. Finally, the Footer. It includes a Google Maps integration, along with crucial contact details, ensuring your cafe is accessible and easy to reach. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.